Hey, it's Ellen. Welcome to this green screen tutorial. First of all, you'll need to either make yourself a green screen or set one up. For this, you could use anything from a green wall, a green piece of paper if you're doing a stop motion animation or a small piece, a pop-up green screen, or you could buy a green screen. You will need to light the green screen to make sure the colour comes out even. You can use any lights that you have for this, as long as you ensure there are no shadows on the green screen. It's also important to use a tripod when filming green screen. This will reduce the risk of getting shaky footage. Here's an example of some handheld footage. If you'll be recording sound, it's important to note that the microphone is on the right corner of your iPad. However, there are lots of different types of kit that you can buy for your iPad which will give you a better quality sound, such as the iRig microphone. Once you've set up all your equipment, the next thing to do is open the green screen app. Tap on the cross in the right hand corner to create a new project. This will open up a timeline. Tap on one of the crosses to select the source of your footage. By tapping on camera, this will allow you to film using your iPad's built-in camera. Then tap on the colour wheel and make sure the chroma switch is on. You can then change the colour on the wheel. The colour you pick will turn black. You should aim to turn the whole background black by matching the colour to your green screen. Once you've done this, click on one of the crosses. If you select Image, you can import any of the photos from your camera roll and use it as a background for your green screen. Once you've chosen a background, tap the red button to record. You will get a 5-second countdown before the recording begins. Tap the square to stop recording. You can preview your video, and if you're happy with it, you can save it to the camera roll. Tap Done and you'll return to your timeline. Alternatively, if you tap the share icon, you can share your video in a message, email, or an iCloud sharing album.